Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into DIYing or love to make crafts, you're in for a treat this video. We're going to talk about how xTool has revolutionized the DIY world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, xTool's different line of products have made it more accessible and easy for anybody to get started in the crafting world. So let's get started. xTool has created a buzz in the DIY community. Whether it be for cutting, engraving, or customization, there are a lot of different options that you can use to improve your engraving journey and make the best products that are smoother, faster, and more fun. But what makes xTool stand out? In this video, we're going to talk about some of xTool's most popular products and what differentiates them from some of the other products, so then you can find out why xTool has really changed the game. Let's kick things off with the xTool M1. This powerhouse combines cutting and engraving all in one, which means you can use it on a variety of materials like wood, metal, acrylic, leather, and even fabric. Whether you're cutting custom keychains, engraving your favorite quotes on a wooden plaque, or making personalized gifts, the M1 can handle it all. And with the easy-to-use touchscreen interface, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. But if you're looking for precision, the xTool D1 model might be the tool for you. This laser cutter delivers incredible detail and accuracy. It's perfect for creating fine, intricate designs on wood, acrylic, or even stainless steel. Think of custom jewelry, personalized gifts, or even detailed art pieces. And while it's powerful, the D1 is user-friendly, making it a great tool for both seasonal makers and beginners. Plus, its compact size means you can set it up anywhere, making it perfect for any workspace. I have an xTool D1 Pro, and it's perfect for the space that I have available to laser engrave. The xTool F1 is a compact and powerful engraver used for creators with limited space. Despite its small size, it offers a large print volume for creating detailed models and prototypes. It features incredibly fast speeds because of its powerful 2 lasers in one machine. The engraver's user-friendly designs make it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Perfect for both hobbyist and DIY projects, it combines versatility with ease of use. This is also something that people take with them on the go to different vendor shows and events and engrave an item whenever somebody buys it at their vendor tent, which gives your vendor tent a great amount of differentiation. Now let's talk about xTool Creative Space, the software that makes your design come to life. xTool Creative Space is super intuitive and user-friendly, which is key for anyone who's just starting out or looking to save time in the design process. Whether you're designing from scratch, uploading your own image, or selecting from their wide array of pre-made templates, it's all streamlined in one place. You can just easily use your designs, fine-tune cuts and engravings, and even preview your work before hitting that start button, so there's no guesswork. xTool Creative Space is compatible with both Windows and Mac, so no matter what platform you're on, you'll have accessibility to all the features that you need. And the best part is, it's free, so you don't even have to pay to make these awesome designs. xTool's versatility means that there's endless possibilities for DIY projects. Want to make custom home decor? With the M1 you can create personalized wall art, laser engraved photos, or even detailed map designs. Looking to make unique gifts for the friends or family? How about using the xTool D1 to engrave their names on a leather wallet or personalized keychains? Check this out. This custom wooden cutting board was created using the xTool D1 Pro. The process was quick and easy, and now I have a perfect addition to my home. And the best part is, it was made by me. So whether you're a hobbyist, a small business owner, or somebody who just loves to create things, xTool might be the way to go. There are a lot of different tools that you can use, from the M1, the F1, and the D1, paired with easy-to-use xTool Creative Space. So there's really no limit on what you can create. If you're looking to take your DIY projects to the next level, xTool might be for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. If you found some benefit in the video, please leave it down in the comments below, and I'll try to respond to any questions or concerns that you guys might have. I hope to see you in some future videos. So happy engraving.